It is Friday, January 15th. These are your bell ringer problems. Alright, so we're going to start with number 17. Carl ordered a pizza with 8 equal slices. He ate 3 slices. What fraction of the pizza was not eaten? Okay, well, if we know that there is 8 out of 8 total pieces when we started to eat the pizza, then Carl ate 3 out of 8, or 3/8 of the pizza. 8 minus 3 is 5. And the 8 is going to come across because your whole does not change. So there is 5/8 of the pizza left. There's 5/8, or 5 out of 8 pieces left. Number 18. How many quarters are in $1.75? Well, I know that in $1, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, right? And in 75 cents, I've got 1, 2, 3 quarters. So altogether in $1.75, I have 7 quarters. 7 quarters. All right. Number 19. We need to do 36 times 45. 36 times 45. Pretty simple. We're just going to do it the classic method. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Cross out my 5. Cross out my 3. Add my place filler. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12. 13, 14. Now just add it up. 0, 8, 19, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, and 1. So I'm left with 1,620 is my answer. 1,620. And then last but not least, we need to write the decimal 2 and 2/100ths. So 2 is our whole number and is our decimal. And then we need to go to the hundredths place. So that means we need to go back to our 2 is in that hundredths place, but we need a place filler. So it's 2.02, 2 and 2/100ths. All right. And then our word problem for the day is of the 54 people surveyed, 5/6 plan to vote. 54 is a number, 5/6 is a number. Of those planning to vote, 1/3 know who they will vote for. How many people have decided who to vote for? So this is a two-step problem, guys. First, we have 54 total people. We know that 5/6 of that 54 total people plan to vote. So that's our first step. We need to figure out what 5/6 of 54 is. And by now, this is pretty easy. We're going to put 54 over 1 because it is a whole number and we need to change it to a fraction times 5/6. Okay, 1 times 6 is 6. And then I know that 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25, 26, 27. So we get 270 over 6. So that means that I need to do this as a division problem. So I'm going to do that work over here. 270 divided by 6. 6 cannot go into 2. 6 can go into 27 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down our 0. 6 goes into 30 5 times. So that means that out of the 54 people, 45 people are planning to vote. Okay? So let's take a look back at our problem. So it says of the 54 people, 5/6 plan to vote. So we know that that 5/6 is now 45 people. So of those planning to vote, so of those 45 people, 1/3 know who they will vote for. So now we have to figure out what 1/3 of 45 is. So we're just doing another multiplication problem. 45 over 1 times 1/3. Okay? So then when we look here, we have 45 times 1 is going to be 45. 1 times 3 is going to be 3. And then I'm left with 45/3. So that is another division problem. Let me put 45 over here. That is another division problem, so I'm going to work that out right next to that. So I'm going to have 45 divided by 3. 3 can go into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down my 5. 3 can go into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. When you get none, you are done. Same like over here. When you get none, you are done. So my final answer is 15 people. 15 people plan to vote and know who they are going to vote for. So, hashtag today, rainy. While it's warm, it's still going to be rainy out today, okay? So, we're going to have a great Friday, guys. We got a lot of hands-on activities. Let's rock and roll today.